Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Silverado. Today what we're working on is our dingy old reverse lights. These things are terrible. They do not put off any light at all. Lasfit was actually really nice enough to reach out to me to give me a set of reverse lights for the 2019-2020 Silverados. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and get those installed today and see if we can get these yellow lights to turn white. So without further ado, let's get this thing taken apart. It's quick, simple, easy to do, and oh my god, are you going to be amazed by the output of this light. Now these lights are actually very simple to remove. Basically you have two bolts here, a hex key, pop the whole assembly off. Untwist the bulb, put the bulb in, put it all back together, you're all set. So let's get this thing taken apart and get the new bulbs put in. This is going to take a T15 Torx bit. It's as simple as taking one, two bolts out. Now this whole thing kind of snaps into place here. Actually going to have to give it a little bit of force. So what you can do, I usually grab right here and just kind of support it on the outside here and then just give it a good pull. Alright, all you're going to do is pop the reverse light out, which is going to be the middle bulb here. Just going to give it a counterclockwise twist. Pop it off. There's our old bulb. Gotta pop the old bulb out. Pop the new one in. One thing you want to make sure, so as long as it's dark out, or dark enough out, I have my light sensor covered up so that when I hit my unlock button it actually kicks on the reverse lights. But if the reverse light doesn't actually kick on when you do that in the dark, like it is not doing right now, you're just going to take the bulb out, rotate it 180 degrees, stick that bad boy back in there, and we should have light. Speaking of light, that thing is super bright, holy cow. Put it back in reverse now that I can't see anything. Put it in its little slot, give it a twist to the right, and lock it into place. We're going to, there's two little pegs here that actually stick into the side of the truck. I'm going to give those a line up, push it flush against the tailgate, and give it a push. That is it. We're just going to take our Torx key, tighten it back up. And that's it. That's how simple that is. Let me get the other side finished up and then we'll show you what the finished product looked like. Always put it in the wrong way. Telling you what, that's probably one of the easiest mods that you can do to your truck. Take a look at what this looks like. Look how bright those are. Talk about pure white. Talk about being able to see when you back up. So much more light output, guys. These things are amazing. They're really going to help with the backup camera as well, so they're going to help illuminate the back of the truck so that I can back up. I don't have to worry about hitting anything. I don't have to worry about anything being in the dark. This is an awesome product. If you guys want to get a set, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll leave a coupon code too, 10% off. These are brought to you by Lasfit. They were nice enough to sponsor me for this video. So yeah, pick up a set of your own. Super easy to install, and hey, you get a discount, 10% off. Can't beat that, right? But yeah, I'll be sure to give you guys some after pictures of the lights. I have them at night here in the garage. It shows how much it lights up the garage. I don't need any additional lights whatsoever. These things are just super amazing. Link in the description for these lights for the 2020 and 2019 Trail Boss. They do have other options out there, obviously, for other vehicles. But this is a direct link for this specific model and year. If you don't want to use the link below, you can actually use the link just lasfit.com and use the coupon code CustomBoss2019. I'll leave that in the description as well. That'll also save you 10% off of basically anything off the entire website, no matter what vehicle it's for. So make sure you get yourself a set of these because these are super amazing. My next purchase is actually going to be the front turn signals. Chevy did us wrong. They should have put LEDs all over this truck. They did not put LEDs in the tail lights. They did not put LEDs or in the reverse lights. They did not put LEDs in the license plate lights. I don't believe they did full LED in the third brake light. I actually got to check that. So if they didn't do LED in the third brake light, I'm actually going to pick me up a set of those as well, and then front turn signals to go along with it. And everything else should be LED. But you know where I'm going. Back to Lasfit. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some insights. Hopefully it gave you something to do to your vehicle. For safety reasons, it's actually well worth it. Go pick yourself up a set of these, get them installed in your truck, and you won't be disappointed. But yeah, I'll be sure to give you guys some after pictures of the lights. I have them at night here in the garage. It shows how much it lights up the garage. I don't need any additional lights whatsoever. These things are just super amazing. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the lights off. Let me hit my unlock button here. Yeah, it lights up the whole garage. Pretty bright stuff here. And that's with a tinted tail light too. Here's the light output. I mean, pretty solid light output. Definitely a recommendation. Go get your lights. I'll show you what it looks like with the backup camera. So, I mean, the garage is pretty pitch dark right now. Pitch black. No problem seeing. I can't see out my side windows though. Tint's too dark. you have it. Pretty solid lights.